Hello, St. Raphael's Preschool families. It's Jen here, and I'm just putting together a quick video to walk you through the viewing and ordering process. And first of all, thank you so much for the opportunity to take pictures of your kids. I had such a fun time with them, and they're completely adorable. So the first step is you will come down to, this is the page that I sent out, the St. Raphael's Preschool Families page. You'll come down, read through all of this, and then you'll come down and hit View Gallery. This will take you to your student's gallery. So it'll bring you up to the St. Raphael's Preschool page. You'll hit Open the Gallery, and you'll enter your email address and the password that I gave you. And that is also on the page, the viewing page that you have. Next, you'll see all of the names, the first names of the students, and I'm going to go down here and find a sample student, Amy. You'll click on your student, and there you will see all of their images. You can scroll through just like this. You can click on them, and that will bring it up, and you can click again to see it in larger form. Use this arrow key to go through all of their beautiful portraits, capturing all of their expressions. And when you find one you love, you can come up here and you'll hit Buy Photo. Here you'll see the different options that you can purchase. You'll see the packages that are put together. These provide the most value. There's 5x7s, wallets, 8x10s. They come in a package, and again, that's just for one single image. So you would be buying a package of this image. There's also individual prints that you can purchase. The next tab is the digital media. Here you can purchase a single digital image by clicking this, and that would give you this immediate download of this image. Oops. Or come back in here by clicking this all digital images for an individual child. That will give you all of the images in her gallery. So if you want to have them for social media, for web sharing, for doing your own printing, or for holiday cards, you could purchase this. If you have siblings, so there would be brothers and sisters photos as well, you would click on this one for the siblings, and that would give you all of their images, the individual images and the sibling images. Next I have canvas. These are gorgeous canvas wraps. They have metal prints where the image is actually printed on metal with an easel back. I have a couple of gift items, a photo ornament, a keepsake ornament for the holidays, or I have these round photo charms. If you click on those, you'll see an example of it. Obviously, it would be your student's photo, but they're about the size of a nickel, and they're really cute charms. They make a nice present. And what else do we have here? The last option is for retouching. If your child had, a scrape or a bruise or a blemish and you want it retouched, removed from their skin, just purchase this, add this to your cart, and make a note of what you want, and we can take care of that really easily. All right, so let's say we're going to purchase this one. We're going to go in and we'll purchase this package, and you hit Add to Cart. And then you can either buy another item, you can go back and shop some more, or you can view the cart. And here you'll see the items, and then you'll hit checkout and be able to process it immediately. You'll receive an email confirmation about your purchase. Also up here, there's information. If you need to have the pricing information is all listed out here. Also, contact information. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and I will help you through the process, and I will answer any questions. The products will be arriving, I think they'll be shipped and delivered to the school. I will deliver them to the school within about 3 weeks. So that should give you time for holiday gifts. And again, if you have any questions during the ordering process, please reach out to me. You can, on my website, you can reach out by hitting the Get in Touch button, and that will send me an email, and I will answer any questions that you may have. And again, thanks again.